YouTube, checking in for that check. Quick question. Are you busy or are you fulfilling your purpose? Because you could be busy and not achieving what you want to achieve. So you gotta ask yourself that. Like I work around a lot of men that's like older. I noticed that, you know what I mean? Especially working like close with these plants and whatever, and they like still doing whatever it is they do, drive forward, whatever. And a lot of them, you see the regret in their eyes and probably wasting time. But then some of them probably fulfilled what they wanted to, right? You gotta ask yourself, is that where you wanna be? Oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot out here. It's hot out here. It's a vlog, man. I'm vlogging. This ain't gonna be no short. It's a vlog. It's hot out here. What trailer we getting? Picking up Systems Freight. Trailer 548584. Yeah, we still yard jockeying. They liked in my performance, so I came back. You know what I'm saying? I moved all these around. We still yard jockeying, you know? It's a hot one out here today, you heard? Are you busy? Or are you achieving what you want to achieve? You know what I'm saying? You gotta ask yourself that. We all do. Trying to get what you're trying to get. You know? Make it make sense. And come on, buddy, what you doing? What you doing? Are you busy? Are you achieving what you've been set out to do? Are you praying? Are you giving it your all? Are you? Only you know the answer to those questions. Is it time for you to reboot? You know? Is it time for you to take a step back? I feel like I'm at that point here now. You know, so going to that door right there. Next to that street job. We're doing a lot of construction work over there. Thinking about getting into this cement layer work. We like some good understand work, good man work. And you gotta ask yourself, bro. Are you achieving what you can achieve? If the answer's no, you got work to do.